This will be a short video, but I'm going to show you how you can get good audio recording cars with a GoPro. Everyone knows that a GoPro can be great for getting footage of driving, but if you don't make the extra effort to capture the audio properly, it's going to sound terrible. And this isn't really the fault of the built-in microphone itself, but more of where it's positioned. It's right out there in the wind. You need to get that microphone positioned somewhere else, and I'll show you what I found works best and what accessories you'll need to do this setup as inexpensively as possible. First of all, if you have a Hero 5 or newer, you'll need this GoPro 3.5mm mic adapter, which is pretty steep. It's 50 bucks just for the ability to plug in a microphone. It has some sort of proprietary processing, so I believe you need this and you can't just get a generic USB-C converter. Then you'll need a small microphone. I have a Rode Video Micro with windscreen, and I'm happy with it, but I haven't tested a lot of other ones, but this one gets the job done. You'll need a super clamp. This one's a Manfrotto. These things are just really handy to have for lots of uses. Manfrotto makes an even smaller one that is probably better because it'll fit into a tighter spot. Don't get this type of mini clamp. This pin tightener will make a lot of noise, and you do not want that right next to your microphone. You'll need an audio cable. I have a few of these headphone extensions laying around. They're 3 feet long, so I connected a few, but you should just get one that's longer, like 15 feet. You can always tape down the excess cable, but it will be better than if your cable is too short. Finally, you'll want some gaffer tape to hold the cable down on the surface of the car. So I tried attaching the microphone onto the rear license plate, and it was still getting too much wind. I put it inside the cabin, and that sounded a little too muffled. So what you want to do is find some place on the underside near the back of the car where you can clamp the microphone and then run the cable along the bodywork of the car up to the camera. On the 911, there's actually a lot of space back here, and I can mount it to this bumper support brace. The result is crisp, punchy sound that really adds a lot to the video. I thought I was picking up some kind of clipping, but it's actually all these expansion joints on the roads here. So hopefully your roads are smoother or you're out in a prettier destination with better roads. So that's it. All of this probably sounds really obvious. Just get the microphone tucked up somewhere out of the airflow, but doing this requires a bunch of accessories to test out. So if you were on the fence about buying the gear to do it, or if you're wondering exactly what pieces you need, hopefully this video makes it clear. And hopefully it'll help you to improve the sound on your GoPro driving videos. Thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for more automotive photo and video content.